All right, next here, Navitas Semiconductor stock is surging after the bell. We'll tell you what's going on here. Navitas shares are soaring in extended trading on Monday after the company provided a progress update on its development of advanced medium and high 800 VDC voltage GaN and SiC power devices. Navitas said its 800 VDC voltage GaN and SiC power devices are designed to enable the 800 volt DC power architecture announced by Nvidia for next generation AI factory computing platforms. Traditional enterprise and cloud data centers are no longer able to meet the multi-megawatt rack densities required by the latest accelerated computing platforms, the company said. The 800 VDC power distribution provides higher efficiency, scalable infrastructure, and global classification alignment and simplified power distribution. Quote, as the industry moves rapidly towards megawatt scale AI computing platforms, the need for more efficient, scalable, and reliable power delivery becomes absolutely critical. The transition from legacy 54 volt architecture to 800 VDC is not just evolutionary, it's transformational. And that came from Chris Alexander, president and CEO of Navitas. So again, NVTS, it's actually, I haven't traded this one in a while. This was more of kind of a short-term trade for me when this first came on the scene. Here's what the chart looks like on Navitas. And I'll be honest with you, this has been absolutely fantastic. Since that gap in May, nice little back test of that island, not totally clean, but a pretty good job back testing it. And then it's moved higher several times here, bringing some of those moving averages with it. You can see the recent move yesterday broke us above the July highs, which is really good to see, above the big volume shelf that we've really been carving out since May. And now here today, we're gapping to this 13 handle. We back out a little bit more. This is what your weekly chart looks like. Sure looks bullish to me and looks like a huge, huge turnaround from some of these May lows. So Navitas been really good. If we take a look inside, this is what it looks like. You can see as far as a trade goes, some of the levels here, very, very clear. In fact, I'll just go ahead and mark them off on the chart for you if you're going to look to trade Navitas here today. We definitely want to take a look and see at this high here. I've actually got this at 1428. I drew my line at 1422. It's right in there. And then we also want to pay attention to this area, both from the after hours, the consolidation area, or the area where the stock paused for a few minutes on its way up, and then also a support area here from this morning. So I've got this marked a range between 12 and 1422. Navitas breaks out of this range, particularly if it back tests either end of that. We actually might have a pretty decent trade set up here.